Scientific notation is a shorthand way that we can write very, very large numbers or very, very small numbers. And scientific notation has a few parts. So the part in the beginning is it will have a number followed by usually 1 to 2 decimal points. So the number will always be between 0 and 10, but not equal to either 0 or 10. And then it is multiplied by 10 to a power. So this number, 0 is less than the number is less than 10. So notice it doesn't say they're equal to. And we multiply by 10 to a power because when we multiply by 10, the decimal point will move one place. And the power tells us which direction and how far. So for example, if I had 3.24 times 10 to the fourth, a positive exponent means that you would be multiplying by 10 to the fourth, which is 10,000. So your decimal point is going to move to the right 4 places. So I would move it 1, 2, 3, 4. So my final answer would be 3, 2, 4, 0, 0. If I have a negative decimal point or a negative exponent, so 1.76 times 10 to the negative 3, so when it is negative, that means the decimal point is going to move to the left and make it a smaller version of that number. And in this case, it would move it 3 places. So I would move it 1, 2, 3. So my answer in this case would be 0.00176. So we have to put the zeros in for the places where we didn't have numbers, which in this first example was here and here, which is why we have 2 zeros. And in the second example, it's here and here, which is why we have 2 zeros to hold those places so that the decimal will be in the correct place value. So every single time you see it, remember that the exponent tells you which direction and how far to move the decimal point. Positive is to the right because that number is going to be bigger, and negative is to the left because that makes it a much smaller value closer to 0.